What's going on, guys? It's Retrospective here. Today I'm just testing out the new mic kit. It's a purple Panda Lavaliere. I do have a, I'm not sure if they call it a purple panda or if they call it a dead cat. But I have a dead cat / purple panda on my mic, so that way hopefully the wind isn't too bad and the random sounds aren't too bad. Hopefully you can hear my voice pretty well and everything sounds fine. I do have to say this thing is in my mouth, so it's kind of like eating hair. But pretty much I got this from another subscriber, another motovlogger named Danoff. So if you want to check out some of his videos, he's a UK subscriber. I think he's actually a Swedish subscriber. Right now I'm just on my way to cut my grandparents' grass because I wasn't sure what else kind of video to make about me changing out my mic. So that's what this one's going to be. Just a short video to show off the new mic, see if it works well or not. And hopefully it improves the overall sound quality.